Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is matrices and determinants. Now our first one, if A not equal to P, B not equal to Q, C not equal to R, and det of PBC, AQC, ABR is equal to 0, then the value of P by P minus A plus Q by Q minus B plus R by R minus C is equal to. Okay, now here using, now consider the values. Now here A, B, C and P, Q, R values is there. Now put, now A value, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, now C is equal to 2, and also PQR, P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to 2 and R is equal to 1. Now here standard values according to given conditions: A not equal to P, A not equal to P, B not equal to Q and C not equal to R. Here A, B, C are increasing values 0, 1, 2. Now P, Q are decreasing values. Okay, first here all values now substitute this one given det of P value is 3, now B value 1 and C value 2 and A value 0, Q value is 2 and C value is 2. Next A value 0, B value is 1 and R value is 1. Okay, now det of, now 3 into, now here two zeros is there. Now eliminating this row and this column. Now det of this one, 3 into 2 minus 2. Remaining all are 0 is equal to 0. Okay, now ABC and PQR satisfies the given det. Now here same values are substituted this one given expression GE. Now P by 3 by P minus A, 3 minus 0 plus Q by 2 by, now Q minus B, 2 minus 1 plus R by 1 by R minus C, 1 minus 2. Okay, now 3 by 3, 1 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, here this value is equal to 2. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, matrix A is given by A is equal to 6, 11, 2, 4. Then the det of A power 2015 minus 6 into A power 2014. Okay, now det of A power 2015 minus 6 into A power 2014. Okay, now A power 2014 common. Det A power 2014. Now det of A minus 6i. Here det of A minus 6i. Okay, now find det A value and also det of A minus 6i. Okay, first det A value. Now det A is equal to, okay, now det of 6, 11, 2, 4. Now 24 minus 22 is equal to 2. Next to find A minus 6i, A minus 6i. A value 6, 11, 2, 4 minus 6 into 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 6, 11, 24 minus 6006 is equal to 0, 11. Now 2 minus 0, 2, 4 minus 6 minus 2. Now det of a minus 6i, det of a minus 6i is equal to det of 0, 11, 2 minus 2, 0 minus 22 is equal to minus 22. Okay, now here det a value 2 power 2014, 2 power 2014. Now det of a minus 6i value minus 22 into minus 22. Okay, now minus 22 2 power 2014 into, now 2 into minus 11, now 2 power 2015 into minus 11, therefore this can be right now minus 11 into 2 power 2015. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, if r square equal to a square plus b square plus c square, s square equal to ab plus bc plus ca, then det of r square s square s square s square r square s square s square s square r square. Put a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2. Now r square is equal to a square 0 plus 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, next s square is equal to, now s square is equal to ab 0 plus, next to bc 2 plus ca 0 is equal to 2. Okay, r square and s square substitute this one. Now det of r square means 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, and also 2, 5, 2, 2 to 5, 2 to 5. Okay, now 5 into 25 minus 4 minus 2 into 10 minus 4 plus 2 into 4 minus 10. Okay, now 5 into 21, 2, 6, 2 into minus 6. 105 minus 12 minus 12. 105 minus 24. Now 81. Okay, now by verification, now option 1. Okay, now A and B and C 0, 1, 2. Okay, option 1 is wrong. Okay, option 2 A 0, B 1, C 2. Option 2 also is wrong. Now I hope option 3 is the correct one. By verification, option 3. Okay, now 3abc 0 minus a cube 0 minus b cube 1 minus c cube 8 whole square minus 9 whole square 81. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the correct one.